Hello, viewers. Welcome to today's exciting video and tutorial on how to make money online. This is survey payout, and as you know, on this YouTube channel, I drop updates that are worth your time and update that can pay you weekly. And today's update, you will see the high chance of you getting paid at least $30 in a single day. So do not be surprised when I said you're going to earn $30 in a single day. Maybe you can make it in 2 days, but I'm going to show you how you can earn this $30 in a single day. And this application is called Neon. Now in Neon, you tend to make money online when you are on a call with your fellow Neon members. Okay, so do not be skeptical. I'm going to walk you through the beginning on how you can go about with this application, how you register, and how you earn. Okay, so let's dive into this application. As you can see, I already have this application on my phone, so I'm just going to get started with a USA number. Okay, so mostly for me, I enjoy working on USA applications. Okay, so if you are new to my channel and this is exactly what you're looking for on how to make money online, please do well to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to get more excited with updates, in the description on this YouTube channel, you will find a WhatsApp group where I drop in the WhatsApp community updates like this, and then you can be a part of our community. Now on this update, you need a USA phone number. It also works in the UK. Okay, we are going to see countries where this update works. All right, so stay tuned to the end, be active, watch the video, do not skip any part, so that you can be good while you work through these sites, so to avoid mistakes. Okay, so now as you can see, my proxy is on, and after you've installed this application, you don't need your proxy to be on. You can log in without the proxy. Okay, but yeah, my proxy is on, and then I'm just going to click on this open button. So I'm just going to click on the open button, and it will take me directly into Neon. As you can see, welcome to Neon. Call, you record, and you earn. There's so many of us who've been making calls without earning anything. So on this update, when you are call, it's being recorded, you earn. Okay, so Neon helps you, or helps every one of us who are Neon users. When we make our calls, it transfers our calls to AI generated kind of call. Okay, it helps to develop AI. So as we are developing AI, we are also earning money. So here, what you have to do is to click on get started. So as you click on get started, when you click here, you'll be asked to put your phone number. When you click here, these are countries where this update works. It works in Afghanistan and Argentina, and then if you're not in the United States, it also works in Germany and also in Nigeria. Okay, so for those who are in Nigeria, you can use your Nigeria number. This works in Nigeria. Okay, if it does not work, then the country will not be there. So it works in Nigeria as well, and it also works in the United Kingdom As you can see here, it works in the United Kingdom. So for those who have been looking for ways to earn money online in Nigeria, you can as well go for Neon. Okay. So but what you need to do is, if you have a VPN or a proxy, you can first of all install this application with the VPN. So here I'm just going to put in the phone number, my USA phone number. I'm just going to put in the USA phone number, and make sure that your phone number is the kind of number that can receive code, because I'm going to send you a code. Because when you're done, you click on continue and then wait for a code from a phone number verification code from Neon. Okay, so I'm just going to complete drag elements on the right to shape. Okay, I'm just going to complete this security prompt. Okay, all right, so let's verify. All right, so yeah, I'm just going to go to my site and then get a code, and I think the code have arrived. The code is 471726. Okay, and then I'll click on verify. Okay, so at this point I'm just going to put in my nickname, or you can put in your first name or your nickname, and then you put in your email address, and then you are good to go. So I'm just going to put in my first name and email address, and then we'll continue. Okay, so let's wait while this will load my profile. Okay, so at this point you just have to read through the terms of services and then privacy policy. And when you're done, you just have to click on it, accept terms and condition. Alright, so verify your phone. Now to make ongoing calls, we need to verify your phone number. Okay, and I'll request for verification. Let's verify the phone number. Okay. Uh, okay. So here's my verification code. I'll just have to write it somewhere. Verification code 66 is 3151. Okay. So okay. So yeah, what you need to do is just to go to your site and then wait for a call. Sometimes if you don't get a call, you can as well click on verify. Okay, you just click on have completed verification. Okay, so you click on have completed verification. Okay, so just click on have completed verification. Now I'm going to click on verify the phone number with a call. Okay, so let's start over. All right, so here's the moment that you've been waiting for. Okay, so on this site, This is what you earn. Okay, you can call and earn $30 per day. Okay, you have a limit of 1 hour in a day to make a call, and when you do that you earn $30 in a day. Okay, so in this place you earn $1. So as stated here, you earn $1 per successful referral. So when you refer someone you earn $1, and when you make the minimum withdrawal on this site is 0.10 cents, and then you can cash out on this site. So when you create a referral link, you earn this amount, $1 per referral, and this is how you have to refer someone. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's see. So now I said minimum cash out is 0.10, and per minute, this is what you earn per minute. So this is what you earn per minute. You earn 0.05 per minute, and the call you have to make is not a call directly to your contact. You need to make calls directly to the contact you have that is using Neon. So if you call a number that is on Neon, that is when your money will be counted. If you call a number that is not on Neon, sorry, your minutes will not be recorded, and then you cannot earn from it. So let's do a calculation. If we are to earn 0.05 per minute, we'll do a calculation. Let's pause and then look for a calculator. So let's look for a calculator here. Okay, so let's say you have 0.05 per minute, and then let's just imagine that you are making a call for 30 minutes. So 0.05 times 30 minutes, it gives you $1. Okay, so 60 minutes gives you an hour. So 0.05 times, this is actually for the UK. Okay, these are actually for the UK. So 0.05 times 60 minutes gives you $3. So if you make a call for $3 for that 1 hour, you earn $3. And then if you are making $3 times 3 hours, so in 3 hours you are having $9. Okay, so this is what you get for UK. Okay, so for those who are using USA, you earn a minimum of $10 per referral. Okay, for the US you earn $10 per referral. Okay, so as you can see, this is a tutorial on this website. That's why initially I said that for me I do prefer the USA. Okay, but UK, if you can work with what I've said, if you can make the call from what I've said, you actually earn this amount of money. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.10. So you cash out into your PayPal. Okay, so you can cash out into your PayPal. All right, so guys, if you are looking for means to earn money, this is just a simple means. This is the update that so many persons are really rushing to do. Okay, and daily everyone is cashing out from this update, those who have this update. So I've decided to share this update with those who are my group, and also decided to share this update with those who I know that will be interested in making money online. Okay, so If you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe. If there be anything you would like to talk concerning this video, maybe you may have tried this update before, or perhaps you are a bit skeptical, and then there be questions you would like to ask. Please do not forget to drop it on the description, sorry, on the comment section of this video. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to invite someone. So you click on the create referral. When you click on the create referral, you just need to, if this is showing USA, I'm going to invite someone with a UK number. So I'm just going to click on that and scroll down the way to United Kingdom, and I'm going to write down the person's number. This is 526 58875. Okay, so, and I'll say send referral. So immediately I send this referral to this person. I'm just going to send it to the person's WhatsApp directly now. So this is how you do this update. Okay, this is how you send uh, invitation, so you can earn as well. So for the course of this video, I'm going to send. Okay, as you can see, it's showing pending. Yeah, it's showing pending because I did not complete sending this invitation. So after this video, I'm just going to click on send invitation. Okay, I'm just going to click on send that invitation and then go to the WhatsApp, send the invitation to the person. Once the person is verified his or her phone number on this site, a foreign phone number on this site, then I'll earn $1 from referral. Okay, and I can cash out because the minimum is 0.10 cents. Okay, so guys, there are more updates that will be coming on this channel. So for you to be among the first, those who quickly catch up with these updates, please do well to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Do not forget, if you like to join the WhatsApp group, check on in the description of this YouTube channel, and then you'll see the WhatsApp group link. You can come on the WhatsApp group link and continue to earn with us. And if you be finding it difficult to earn, to make money online, you are in the right place. And do well to check in other videos that I have on my playlist. You'll find in different survey sites that are paying. You'll find in live tutorial on how to go about these survey sites and get paid on these sites. So guys, thank you for watching this video to the end, and be active, subscribe, and then you see next videos on how to make money online. And remember, the year is coming to an end. You need to make a lot of money. Okay, so guys, thank you for staying with me to this end. See you in the next video.